dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Alright everyone, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist. As we dey give una back-to-back updates and information as e dey hot. So my people, if today na your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. Alright my wonderful people, still on the Edo State governorship election matter. Now my people, the PDP supporters don't come out and talk say gun democracy was reintroduced to Edo State by armed policemen during the conduct of the September 21st governorship election by moving unit result collation to the Inec state headquarters in Edo State. But before I go bring the main story, I can give a good welcome all my amazing subscribers and viewers. I thank you all so much for joining us on to the wonderful news. Alright my people, may we dive into the main story. The PDP supporters don't come out and talk say gun democracy was reintroduced to Edo State by armed policemen during the conduct of the September 21st governorship election by moving unit result collation to the Inec state headquarters in Edo, in violation of the 2022 Electoral Act and INEC guidelines concerning the collation of election results. So by doing so, they said that the police made the collation of the 2024 election result lack legitimacy, that the collation was unconstitutional, my people don't be small wala, and illegitimate. So the use of gun by APC talks to intimidate and threaten Edo voters and the peaceful people of Edo State, especially at the collation centers, poses a serious threat to our democracy. Not only that, they said the use of guns by policemen during the Edo September 21st, 2024 governorship election to forcefully prevent PDP and other party agents from observing the collation of results was a watershed moment in Nigeria history, where the INEC office in Benin City was used as ward and local government coalition centered across Edo State. Meanwhile, it was supposed to be so. Now they are saying that this is the first time that the state INEC office in Edo State was used as a ward and local government coalition centers in the history of the state. They never tried them before. My people don't be small matter. This election matter never end, because the Edo people and the PDP knows the rightful winner in this governorship election. Will be say they don't conduct for Edo State. Then they talk say, had it mean they won on a free and fair ground, they would have congratulated Senator Mondo Bobolo. But the thing be say, the thing where the eye see on that day, they no fit accept the outcome of that election. They said the coalition of results of Edo State 2024 election was worse than the coalition of the Edo 2007 election. So they revealed the extent to which some people are willing to go to undermine democratic processes and advance their political objectives. So the unlawful coalition of results didn't even come out of nowhere. The signs of APC rising political violence across Edo State were evident, especially the invasion of the already INEC office in Benin City by APC talks 2 days before the election. So for a year now, there has been a proliferation of incidents involving talks in Oredo, harassing and intimidating the people of Edo State involved in their democratic processes, including voters and election workers. So it is not uncommon to read stories about people stalking out or patrolling near voting poll on election day, armed to the teeth and dressed for war, as witnessed with Governor Godwin Obaseki being insulted on September 21st at the INEC office in Benin City. So INEC and the police did not sanction the APC talks who took over the INEC office in Oredo on September 20th. When a person carrying a gun uses it to intimidate someone, they infringe on that person's rights. Just imagine. So gun safety laws are crucial to maintaining a safe and free democracy, ensuring that intimidation does not overshadow other constitutional rights. So the Edo 2024 election, characterized by gun and violence, highlights the risks and tragic outcomes when rights are not balanced by responsibilities. It also directs legislators and the public towards policy solutions that will help strengthen our democratic institutions rather than weaken them. So my people, not quite long, tension flared at the Edo State INEC headquarters recently when talks linked to the APC led by Jared Tinebe stormed the commissioner office in Benin City to obstruct the inspection of electoral materials from the controversial September 21st Edo governorship election. So the disruption came on the heels of a statement that was issued by the resident electoral commissioner of Edo State, Dr. Anubo Monoa, which had extended an open invitation to all political parties and their representatives to participate in the inspection of the materials, a move seen by many as an attempt to, muddle the waters, despite the fact that PDP has secured a court order specifically to inspect the bimodal voter accreditation system machines. So, in the resident electoral commissioner's statement, he allowed the APC to send a delegation of lawyers and youth led by the APC state chairman to interfere in the process. So the situation escalated when Inec's head of legal, Mr. Rita Amadi, announced that the inspection of the BVAS machine was to begin as mandated by the court order. But Jure Tinebe forcefully objected that, insisting that the inspection should start with the voter register and ballot paper before the BVAS machines could be scrutinized. So, my people, his demand quickly led to chaos as APC members surrounded Mrs. Amadi and began to push members of the PDP delegation. So, in the commotion, one of the PDP forensic examiner had their phone smashed while police officer looked on without intervening. So, the APC chairman then moved for the adjournment of the inspection exercise until the next day, being Thursday, claiming not to be in possession of his copy of the voter register. Mr. Amadi crossly agreed to his demand. So, get what he want to do, despite being reminded by the PDP legal representative that the court ordered mandated the examination of the voter register used by Inec in the election, not the one held by political parties. So now, my people, the optimistic PDP leaders are saying that it is so pathetic and pitiable to hear that in a contest, someone who claimed to have won is still the one making the most noise. That the question that comes to their mind is, if someone is convinced they actually won a battle, why worry about the other person who deem it fit to question the authenticity of such a victory? Might be the question. So they are saying that the funniest part of this saga is that the Edo State APC chairman, Emperor Jerry Tinebe, linked the tribunal court to that of the Independent National Electoral Commission, which has long been viewed as an APC committee in disguise. Truth be told, they have never seen any case as interesting and informative as this one. So in which the APC was left with no other option but to put up a defense to ascertain if they truly won the election. So the lack of materials evidence has left them with nothing substantial to present before the courts. So now, PDP supporters are saying that for APC to think that preventing the PDP from inspecting the materials from the BVAS would make a difference is one of the miscalculations that has caused the APC more harm than good. So little did the APC know that the PDP had already approached the tribunal court with much evidence why they are busy chasing shadows. Because of course, with the PDP team of lawyers consisting of 10 senior advocates of Nigeria and 15 other skilled legal practitioners, it is clear that the PDP is prepared to reclaim their mandates. So my people, this is to say that this present case will go down in history alongside many past cases. Because without a doubt, Dr. Asi Hodala of the People Democratic Party won the election, as evidenced by the report from various polling units that were uploaded from the BVAS to the Inec result viewing portal. Some people are going to like make una pull mouth for this matter, make una tell me una mind, una thoughts on our contribution for this matter. I would like to hear from una once again. Thank you all so much for staying to yours.